Hello everybody. Hello everyone. I'm Vanila and welcome to my channel. And today I'm wearing this outfit. I hope you like it. This one is the bra that most of you like so much, so you've been requesting yet again for me to wear it for you. So here I go. I do it for you again.
The one that I adore, the one I introduced the time for at dinner. That was you. You's the one I fell in love with, the one I moved these drugs with, and now you want some fuck shit. Anybody but I ain't figured that you would be the one to cut me. Leave me on the floor fucking bloody goddamn. Baby, you had me fooled the whole time. Now you got me in King of Diamonds giving these hoes time. Girl, baby, you, I can't blame you though. When you see the dough, you see the dough. Now listen, baby, you.
Every time I decide to leave you all in the past, baby, I'll be thinking about you on a long drive, yeah. And you ain't no one to make me feel unsatisfied, no. But baby, you got me going. You got me going.
Thank you very much for watching and subscribing. Love you lots.
You got me, yeah. You got me, you got me, you got me, you got me, you got me. Baby, you, yeah. Oh.
Tell me how you think we living, how we live. Like you the one that put us in these cribs. Not me, but baby you. Like I ain't getting money for these shows. I guess you think I'm tripping on these hoes. They fans, but look at you. Who in them Celine bags? Who in them Giuseppe's Louboutins wanna bet me I'll win? Cause it's you. You begged me to get on that show. I ain't want it, but you did. I'm a real nigga, I did it for you. You don't see Swizz and Alicia, Kim K and Kanye arguing all the time. It's just you. I begged you to marry me. $500,000 out my safe down the drain, but fuck you, cause that was you. Damn, we got some beautiful kids, but you never say it's something we did. I guess your baby daddy you. Regardless of the shit we go through, I got Jason in the booth, 2 a.m. singing shit about you.
And every time I decide to leave you all in the past, baby, I'll be thinking about you on a long drive, yeah. And you ain't no one to make me feel unsatisfied, no. But baby, you got me going. You got me going. You got me going. Well, you got me, 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 yeah. You got me, you got me, you got me, you got me, you got me. Baby, yeah. Oh, baby, blood is money and I spent it on you. Ain't it funny how it ended up? You said you'd go down for the last time, but we both know it's not the last, but I say mine. Long as you're going down.